Today, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your ebook on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Let's get started. To start publishing your ebook on Amazon, you would need a Kindle account or a KDP account. The first step would be to set up a KDP account. So follow this tutorial step by step. And by the end of this video, you would have been able to publish your very first ebook and start earning within 4 to 48 hours. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's win together. So let's set up your KDP account. Go to kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in minutes. Once you are signed in, fill out your author profile, tax information, and bank details. This is essential because this is how Amazon would pay you for every sale made. So when you set up your account, you want to fill in your tax and payment details immediately so you can start earning from your ebook in as little as 48 hours. So the trick here is you want to fill in your payment and tax information the moment you set up your KDP account. Let's look at formatting. You want to format your book properly so it is readable on Kindle. Remember, we are publishing ebooks. Formatting is that time where you want to check that your book is in the right fonts and in readable format. Now, there are 3 ways you can format your book. First, Amazon offers a free tool called Kindle Create, which you can download directly from the KDP website. Kindle Create helps you format your text and chapter headings and create a table of content. If you're more comfortable with Word and you don't like Kindle Create, that's fine too. You can just save your document as a doc or as a file. Be sure to keep the formatting simple. Stay away from fancy fonts and be clear in your headings. When you are finished, save your file in a Kindle compatible format like Mobi or EPUB. Kindle Create will do this automatically, but you can also use online converters. My advice would be to use Kindle Create. It makes the process simple from start to finish. Remember, you can download the Kindle Create software from the KDP website. Moving on to uploading your ebook on Amazon. Now that you are done formatting, you want to upload your ebooks. You won't make any money if you have not uploaded your ebook. Click Upload eBook Manuscript and select the file you have saved earlier. KDP will automatically check your file for any formatting issues. For your cover, you can either upload a pre-designed cover in JPEG or PNG format, or use the KDP Cover Creator, a free tool Amazon provides. Remember, your ebook cover is crucial. Make sure it is eye-catching and it is relevant to the content of your book. Now, let's set pricing and royalties for your ebook. Amazon offers 2 types of royalties. So there's 35% and there's 70%. I'm going to be explaining the difference between these two. If you price your ebook between $2.99 and $9.99, you earn 70% royalty. But if it falls below $2.99, you automatically earn 35% royalty. Let's talk about enrolling in KDP. Now, KDP is an Amazon program that lets you reach more readers or more audience. But Amazon would have exclusive rights to your ebooks for 90 days. But I have tried this and it kind of works. Some people read your ebooks, they come about to buy your hardcover book, or they even start looking for more. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish. Amazon will review your book, usually within 24 hours. So if there's no issues as to copyright or formatting, your book should be ready. Sometimes these ebooks are ready in just 4 hours of pushing publish. So I'm challenging you this weekend, go and publish your ebook. Positive reviews are crucial for a book's success. So politely ask your readers or your audience to leave you true reviews, as this can boost your book's credibility. So whether good or bad reviews, you can take on board the bad reviews and see what you need to do or what you need to correct. And for the good reviews, keep thanking and encouraging your audience for more. Now, before we leave, here are some tips. Remember to rely on artificial intelligence like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and remember to use things like Canva to format your book. If you don't want all this stress, you can just use the Kindle Create. You can watch the related video for more info on where to start from. So I did a comprehensive video on book publishing for beginners. Now you have published your first ebook. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and share with your friends you think might need this information. See you next time.